every time we come here, there's no burger. Mozzarella bulgogi croquette. What ice cream is that, baby? Cherry?
Nice. Not nice.
That's weird.
Yeah, your face is weird. This is fine.
Okay, Timmy got cherry ice cream and I'm having my bulgogi burger. It's done?
I think so.
Okay, that's done. Hi guys! We're here in the waterfront. Right.
Oh, wakeboarding and jet skiing.
Just been to mini stop and I got this, what is it again? Mozzarella bulgogi croquette, and Timmy got the cherry ice cream. Let's try this mozzarella thingy.
Just the burger.
That's right. It's not bad actually. Nice. It's actually nice. Definitely.
Still need to make burgers. We still need to make burgers at home.
The mozzarella is nice too. Maybe if this is sliced cheese, it's this is definitely nice.
Hold it like a man!
Orange and pineapple juice. Hold it like a man! Right, cheers! Tagay, charot, joke. Nice. I like this. Although it's so great. But I like it that it's not too cold for me and it's not too hot. Timmy is there, by the way. We're home! And nulubalis kami ng Peace Park, waterfront. Hindi kami masyado nag-vlog, but then we stopped by shoes shop, charot. Yeah, we stopped there and then we looked for Timmy shoes, but then we didn't get anything that we liked. And then afterwards, we just walked to next, and then they're shut, so we left and drive to Alpha store, and then Timmy went there and got me a canvas. Ta-da! So I can practice painting in here, oil painting, and then yeah, ito na yung aking tempered glass and yung brushes, guys, paint brushes. Baby, can you put this, because I'm so worried if I'm the one to put this on.
Yeah, sure.
Like last time. Like last time, there's a bubble inside. I mean, there's a cotton trapped inside. So yeah, I want you to do this for me. What is this thing, white thing, baby?
I think it's something to hold your phone in, maybe?
And by the way, guys, the noise in the background is yung oven talaga, Rhea, oven namin. Because Timmy already put on the ribs. Baby, it's so weird. I don't know what's that for. Oh my goodness gracious, it won't open. Ouchie. This is my 4th tempered glass for my phone, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so careless. So careless, Rhea.
Come on.
Please, my love.
Yeah, I'm just busy right now. Give me a second.
His dad is busy. I love you.
Mobile.
Oh, let's supposed to have workout today.
Nope.
We can do it later before we go to bed.
Probably better if we do it before that, don't we?
Yeah, before we rinse and then get ready for bed, we can do it. Sorry. Yeah. Yes, honey, we can do that.
Hi guys, it's dinner time. We've got, well, I'm having fajitas, you're having sinigang?
I'm having fajitas.
Hmm?
Yeah.
You having fajitas too?
I don't know.
You can have some. I mean, we've
maybe
got
I'll have
plenty of
one
friends.
later. I don't know.
Rhea doesn't know what she's eating despite having cooked food. Yeah, we got some lettuce, cabbage, tomato, peppers, carrots, cucumber. So it's salad wraps, basically, not fajitas. There's some sinigang there behind.
Sinigang!
We've got 2 types of ribs.
Excuse
Hopefully
me.
they're good. So yeah, I'm fine with
Types?
these. Mm.
2 types?
Yeah. This is the red pork, and that's sugar and cayenne pepper and smoke, seasoning, and stuff. Bunch of stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna get started.
Sinigang, sinigang, sinigang. Oh, sinigang. Ugh, yum yum. Ugh. That ribs is looking delicious, baby. Imukbang mo, imukmukbang. Imukbang mo. Is that one?
This one. Yeah? No?
Yeah, fine. You only give me little piece. That's very bland. Like you said, it's too watery. Sinigang, baby?
No, I'm good, thanks.
No, I'm good, thanks.
I don't want any of your bland soup.
Bland soup.
Says
no one ever. Well, you don't have to fight back. Although I only have cabbage and string beans, guys. I don't have the complete recipe for this.
What else do you need?
A lot of vegetables. Eggplant.
Okay.
Choy? No, but yeah, this is too basic. But still nice. Still savory, sour. Still nice for me. I'm stealing your ribs, baby. Your ribs.
Only the our ribs.
Your ribs. Good job, baby. Can I try this other one? Yeah. Yeah, needs more salt. Although I think it's fine if you're having it with, you know, that kind of food. Because you will be adding sauce anyway. This one's really good. Delish.
Gonna bite this. Definitely tastes healthy. Oh, great song. How's your sinigang?
Good. Good. Right, guys. My goodness. I had my sinigang and rice. I had some ribs, and I'm gonna have some of that. While Timmy only have his stick to his food.
I know what I like.
Share?
I know what I don't like.
What?
If you want to finish that, I'll go with that.
So that I think. Half of this tomato.
You take what you want.
Baby, can you get me my sweet chili? Oh gosh, I'm feeling full now. Oh yes, I put. I'm really good at forcing food in me.